Good morning, students. Today we are going to begin with our new topic, irrational numbers. Till now, which types of numbers have we studied? Whole numbers. Here are some examples of whole numbers: 0, 1, 2, 19, 17, 200, 59, 70 and so on. There are innumerable whole numbers. In the same way, we have studied integers. What are integers? All the positive whole numbers, 0 and all the negative numbers, they are called as integers. Here are some examples: 2750, negative 10, negative 41, negative 69 and 87. These are some examples of integers. Then we have studied rational numbers. What are rational numbers? The numbers of the form P upon Q. The numbers which can be written in the form P upon Q. And what are P upon Q? They are some integers. They are any integers and Q should not be equal to 0. Denominator is not 0. Such numbers are called as rational numbers. So here are some examples of rational numbers: 1 by 3, negative 8 upon 2, negative 25. This is an integer, but in the previous lectures, I have already explained you that every integer or whole number can be written in the form of a rational number, because here we can write upon 1 everywhere in all the integers. So integers are also rational numbers. Whole numbers are also rational numbers. Now tell me that are there only these types of numbers in mathematics? Whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. Then the types of numbers are over? No. The answer is no. There are not this much numbers in the mathematics. There are one more type of numbers. In addition to rational numbers, there are infinitely many numbers on a number line. Means apart from rational numbers, there are infinitely many. Infinitely many means uncountable, which we cannot count how many. So there are infinitely many numbers on a number line and they are not rational numbers. That is in the P by Q form. Means there are many numbers on the number line which are not of the form P by Q, and these are the they are the irrational numbers. They are called irrational numbers. Means the numbers which are not rational, which cannot be written in the P upon Q form, they are called irrational numbers. Means exactly what? See, here we will take one example to understand the difference between rational and irrational number. Now, two examples we have taken. First one is 0.5. Is it a rational number? We will just see. 0.5 can be written as 5 upon 10. One decimal place is there after point, means in the denominator 1 0 will come. So 0.5 means 5 upon 10. And if we reduce this, then 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Means this decimal number, it can be written in the form P upon Q, where Q is not 0 and P and Q are some integers. तो ये डेसिमल नंबर हम P upon Q फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. Means it is a rational number. It is a rational number. Now one more example we will take. See this one. What is the number? 3.1415927681 and so on. Means it is not ending at all. Meaning of dot is that this number does not end. Now can we represent this decimal number in the form of P upon Q? इस नंबर को क्या हम P upon Q के जैसे लिख सकते हैं? The answer is no. क्योंकि हमको मालूम ही नहीं है कि आगे कितने डिजिट्स है. तो हम नीचे 10 लेना है, 100 लेना है, 1000 लेना है, नीचे कितने 0 लगाने हैं. वो हम कैसे डिसाइड करेंगे? जब हमको पॉइंट के बाद एग्जैक्टली कितने डिजिट्स है वो ही मालूम नहीं है, तो हम डिनोमिनेटर में 1 के बाद कितने ज़ीरो लगाना है वो डिसाइड नहीं कर सकते. एंड दैट्स वाई we cannot write this number in the form of p upon q. So such number which has no ending and no recurrence also. Okay, rational number में हमने क्या देखा था कि division end तो नहीं हो रहा है, but they are in the recurring form. कुछ ना कुछ वहाँ repeat हो रहा है. See these examples of rational numbers. Here 7 upon 6. Here 1.1666 means 6 is repeating. Here also 6 is repeating. Here this full set of number is repeating. 142857. Again 142857. Here 23232323 and so on. Here also 0.833333 and so on. Means rational numbers में डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद नंबर एंड तो नहीं होता है. इट इज नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग बट इट इज रिकरिंग. कुछ ना कुछ वहाँ रिपीट होता है. पर यहाँ नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग तो है पर कुछ रिपीट ही नहीं हो रहा है. सो सच टाइप ऑफ नंबर्स आर कॉल्ड एज इरैशनल नंबर्स. सच टाइप ऑफ नंबर्स दे आर कॉल्ड एज irrational numbers. And from where these numbers originated, that we will see through one example. Now see here, this is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle ABC in which AB is one unit. Unit means what? It can be anything. It can be centimeter or meter or anything. So when we don't need to specify the exact unit, we just say that it is one unit. जब हमको सेंटीमीटर मीटर कुछ मालूम नहीं है, खाली 1 है, तो 1 कुछ भी हो सकता है. इट कैन बी सेंटीमीटर, इट कैन बी मीटर, इट कैन बी किलोमीटर, एनीथिंग. सो जब वो नेसेसरी नहीं होता है तब हम इसको बोलते हैं इट इज वन यूनिट. यूनिट मीन्स कुछ ना कुछ होगा उसका यूनिट. इट इज जस्ट एन एग्जाम्पल. सो AB is 1 unit and BC is also 1 unit. And we have to find the length of the AC. What is AC? AC is called as hypotenuse. The side which is opposite of right angle is called as hypotenuse. So हमें hypotenuse की length find करनी है. And what is the method for finding the length of hypotenuse? Last year we have done Pythagoras theorem. This Pythagoras theorem, it is used only in a right angle triangle. Do you remember? Pythagoras theorem is used only in a right angle triangle. And why it is used? When two sides of triangles are given and we have to find the third side, at that time we should use the Pythagoras theorem. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Hypotenuse का square, it equals the square of first side and second side sum. Now this is also called as base and height. इसको आप base square plus height square ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं. Now how much is AB? It is 1 और उसका स्क्वायर, सो 1 स्क्वायर. देन वी हैव टू राइट AC स्क्वायर. सॉरी, हियर इट शुड बी BC. AB स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर. हाउ मच इज BC? अगेन 1. नाउ what is 1 square? 1 only. 1 ones are 1 and again 1 only. So answer is 2. Now 2 is the answer of AC square. But we want only AC. AC के साथ में ये जो स्क्वायर है that we don't want. We want the answer of AC. So what we will do to remove the square? Taking square root on both the side. स्क्वायर कैसे रिमूव किया जाता है? By taking square root on both the side. Now left side, square and square root cancel. Why it is cancelled, that I explained you last time. And here there is no square, so square root cancel nahi hoga, and answer will be root 2. Now what is the value of root 2? Do you know? No. Like if I ask you what is the value of, suppose, root 9, can you give me the answer? Yes, root 9 value is 3, क्योंकि 3 के स्क्वायर का आंसर होता है 9. So root 9 is 3. Similarly, can you find the answer of root 2 like this directly? No. There is one long method for finding the answer of root 2, and its answer is 1.41421 and so on. It does not end and there is no recurrence also. So such type of numbers जिनका स्क्वायर रूट हम नहीं निकाल सकते हैं, they are called as irrational numbers. They are called as irrational numbers. So what are the examples of irrational numbers? Irrational number क्या है, कहाँ से आया वो समझा. It exists, वो होता तो है. See, just now we have seen, if we draw a right angle triangle of 1 centimeter or two sides, base and height, then the third side will be definitely root 2 centimeter. Means rational number होते तो है, but they cannot be written in the form of p by q. Such numbers are called as irrational numbers. So what are irrational numbers? Irrational numbers are numbers that cannot be expressed as the ratio of two whole numbers. Ratio means p by q form. Then when expressed as a decimal, irrational numbers go on forever after the decimal point and never repeat. Means what? Decimal form of an irrational number is non-terminating and non-recurring. रैशनल और इरेशनल में फ़र्क समझा. रैशनल में नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग एंड रिकरिंग होता है, इरेशनल में दोनों नॉन होते हैं, टर्मिनेट भी नहीं होगा, रिकरिंग भी नहीं होगा. नाउ वी विल सी सम एग्जांपल्स. सी हियर, दिस एवरीथिंग वी हैव already studied in 7th 6th standard. Okay, now what do you mean by perfect square? Square means number multiply by itself. तो जब हम whole number के squares लेते हैं, when we find out the square of whole numbers, these answers, they are called as perfect squares. They are called as perfect square. So here I have made a list of the perfect square. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16 and so on. Now what do you mean by square root? Okay, square root means what? This number is the square of which number? 2. Means 2 is the square root of 4. 2 is the square root of 4. 3 is the square root of 9. 4 is the square root of 16. 5 is the square root of 25. Like this. अब यहाँ 1 का स्क्वायर रूट का आंसर हमको मिल गया 1. 4 के स्क्वायर रूट का आंसर हमको मिल गया 2. बट 1 और 4 के बीच में 2 और 3 आता है, तो 1 का आंसर 1 है, 4 का आंसर 2 है. व्हाट अबाउट 2 एंड 3? 2 एंड 3 के स्क्वायर रूट का आंसर ऐसा एग्जैक्ट मिलेगा क्या? नहीं, क्योंकि 2 और 3 ये किसी के भी परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं है. ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर की लिस्ट में कहीं 2 और 3 है क्या? नहीं. 5, 6, 7, 8 ये सारे नंबर इस लिस्ट में नहीं है. ये लिस्ट में जो नंबर्स है, जो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर्स है, उनके ही स्क्वायर रूट का आंसर होल नंबर में आएगा, रैशनल नंबर में आएगा. और बचे हुए जो नंबर है जो ये लिस्ट में नहीं है, we cannot find the square root of those numbers directly, and these square roots of non-perfect squares these all are called as irrational numbers. These all are called as irrational numbers. Understood which are the irrational numbers? The square roots of the non-perfect squares. And non-perfect square means what? 2, 3, 5 जो स्क्वायर की लिस्ट में नहीं है. अंडरस्टूड. 2 किसका स्क्वायर है? किसी का भी नहीं. इट इज नॉट द स्क्वायर ऑफ एनी नंबर. समथिंग इंटू समथिंग इक्वल टू 2, ऐसा कोई फाइंड कर सकते हैं क्या हम? नो. मीन्स 2 इज नॉट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. 3 समथिंग इंटू समथिंग इक्वल टू 3, नंबर मल्टीप्लाई बाय इटसेल्फ इक्वल टू 3, ऐसा कोई नंबर ढूंढ सकते हैं क्या? नो. मीन्स 3 इज ऑल्सो नॉट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. तो जो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर्स नहीं होते हैं उनका स्क्वायर रूट अगर हम लेंगे तो वो इर्रेशनल नंबर्स होते हैं. अंडरस्टूड दिस मच? व्हाट आर इर्रेशनल नंबर्स? ओके. सो हियर वी विल एंड विद द टॉपिक the difference between rational and irrational numbers. Tomorrow we will continue. Thank you.